Using and creating icons. In this video, we will first show you how to use icons and then how to create your own icons. To add an icon to the garden, go to the Surfaces menu and select Add an Icon. Choose the library of your choice. Public and private libraries are differentiated by their logos. Then simply click on the icon of your choice and add it to your drawing. Note: access to the icon library, editing icons, and adding icons is reserved for paid licenses. Free accounts can only view and move icons placed on their plan. Tip: as with surfaces, icons appear in the middle of the screen. If you select a surface beforehand, the icon will appear in the middle of it. It is up to you to decide whether it is easier to move the plan on the screen or to select an area to reduce subsequent movements of the added icons. Modifying an icon. Once added to the garden, an icon can be resized while maintaining its original proportions. In addition, you can modify each color of the icon. As with surfaces, by default, the icon takes the name defined in the library, but you can change the names of each icon in the drawing. Adding icons to the legend of your printed plan. When printing, you can choose which icons to add to the legend. Note: for your icons to appear, they must 1. Be present on the printed view, 2. Belong to a layer selected in the view, 3. Be selected in the printing menu of the view. See the tutorial on printing for more details. Note: if you have used the same icon with the same colors, example, graphically identicals, but with different names, Tizanji takes the name of the first icon added. It is therefore preferable to use the graphic notes to explain the difference between the different uses of identical icons. If, on the other hand, you have changed at least one color to distinguish between the icons, then each distinct icon will have its own legend. Copying an icon. You can duplicate or copy icons within the same drawing. However, you can only copy an icon from one garden to another if you have access to the icon library from which that icon originates. This is a security measure in place to protect the rights of icon creators. Creating a new icon. Simply select the graphic elements that make up your icon, and then click on the Add to My Icon List button. Name your icon and select the library in which the icon will be saved, or alternatively, name the new library that will contain the new icon. Note: you cannot put a photo, another icon, or a surface containing one or more plants in an icon.